Let's go to dialogue 8. So dialogue 8 again is between Amma and Kofi. So Amma starts the conversation with Kofi, Machion. Kofi, Machion. So you are repeating the good morning greeting. So Kofi, Machion, Kofi, good morning. And to that, Kofi responds with Yenia. And immediately, this suggests that they are age mates, probably siblings or friends. And then Amma asks, Etisane. Etisane. Etisane literally means it is how. Okay? It is how. So, how is it? And this is like a casual form of Ohotisane. So, earlier we talked about Ohotisane. We said this is how are you? This is like the standard how are you? And this would be similar to this, how are you, but in a more casual sense, right? So Etisane, how is it? How is it? And then Kofi responds to that with, Ayo. This is a standard response to Etisane. When someone asks Etisane, the very standard response to that is mostly Aye, right? Etisane, Aye. Etisane, Aye. This Aye it is good, right? It is good. So we have the it here as the and the ye means to be good. So Etisane, how is it? Aye, it is good. And then he adds oh at the end. So ayo, it's good oh, right? Now when someone asks how you are doing, after responding to the person, it's nice to ask the person back how he or she is also doing. And you do that by using this. Now right? Now or just wonswe. So now wonswe, and how about you, right? Or wonswe, how about you? And then he goes on, he asks, Bibi aboko. Bibi aboko. This has shown up in several of our media dialogue review series. When you ask Bibi aboko, you're asking, is everything good? Literally, you're asking if everything is calm. Because you have boko here, which means calm. And you have bibia, which is everything. So literally, you'll be asking, is everything calm? So this is what you use to ask something like, is everything cool? Right? Is everything cool with you? Bibia boko. And in response to this, you can just use the same expression, but in a statement form, not as a question. So if someone asks, Bibia boko, you can say, oh, Anne, Bibia boko, right? So you see, Bibia boko, everything is calm, everything is good, everything is cool. And then Kofi says, Mihu wache. Mihu wache. Hu means to see. And then you have che means to keep long, right? To delay. So Mihu wache, it's been a long time since I last saw you. Mihu wo ache, it's been long. Mihu wache. So if you meet someone that it's been long since you last met, you can use this expression. You can say, oh, Mihu wache. Hey, Mihu wache. It's been a long time, a really long time since I last saw you. And then Amma agrees with that. She says, Ampa. Ampa is true. Ampa, yeshiayache. I told you shia means to meet. And we said che means to delay, to keep long, right? So she's agreeing with Kofi and saying, Ampa, that is true, right? It's true. Yeshiaye ache. It's been a long time since we last met. So we have we here, yeah. So Kofi wants to know why that is the case. So he asks, Utu kwai ana? Utu kwai ana? To kwai, this phrasal verb here, we have to kwai, which means to travel. So here, it's in the past. So we have doubled the final letter. So we have Utu kwai ana? Did you travel? Last week, we said ana is or, right? The conjunction or. So if I want to ask what you will eat, I can ask ubedi emu ana banku, right? So between these two, between emu, which is rice, and banku, which is banku, between these two, which one would you like to eat? So I connect these two with ana, which is or. But I told you that we also attach this ana to the end of a statement to turn that into a question. And that is mostly a question that verifies the truth of a statement that was made. For example, here we have utu kwan. Utu kwan is you traveled. So that is a statement. You traveled. The moment you attach ana here, you get utu kwan ana, and that will be a question that is verifying the truth of this statement. Did you travel? Was it the case that you traveled? And to that, Ama responds with me pachel ane. Yes, please. Me too kwan call America. Me too kwan call America. I traveled to America. Okay? Me too kwan call America. Again, take note of how I pronounce this part. I say quine, not quan.